to enable dark mode in Duolingo app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Duolingo app. Before, there used to be option in Duolingo, but Duolingo has removed dark mode from their app. So what you can do is scroll down your notification bar from the top. After you've scrolled down the notification bar from the top, here, search for dark mode. After you find dark mode, click on the dark mode option. After you do that, scroll back the notification bar and you will find your Duolingo app in dark mode. And this is how to enable dark mode in Duolingo app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.